Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are coming to do a unboxing something. We're setting up the kitchen and the pantry. So this is a project that you guys have been seeing me working on, and let's start. Today we're going to be watching this video on Wednesday or Thursday. I hope I managed to upload it on time, and then the final project reveal is already ready. You guys are going to be watching it on Sunday. Immediately after you watch this video, you're going to be watching it on Sunday. So I just want to bring in everything, all the stuff. I want us to bring all the stuff from the car, and then we start setting up and organizing this kitchen and pantry area. So guys, this is everything that we bought. So we had to unbox everything from the boxes, the big boxes, because they were packaged in like 5 big boxes. So we had to separate them so that they could all fit in the car, and everything is here. So I want us to unbox, unwrap, and then I'm going to take you through everything that we bought in details. And yeah, that's just about it. Guys, this is a snippet of the house. Oh my goodness, this is just the bathroom, the hallway leading to the bedrooms and the bathroom. Make sure you're tuned in for the final reveal, because this one is going to be absolutely amazing. Trust me, you're going to love this space. You are going to love it. And this is a quick snippet of the dining area. My goodness, you guys, I can't wait to show you the reveal.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true,
you're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar, but I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true, it's true.
So we have managed to unbox everything. This is all the trash that we have. I still have a few more items over here, and everything is on the countertops. So we have unboxed everything. So now it's time to organize everything that we have unboxed.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Some feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel.
So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is over here. This is where I put all the 30-piece what is this called? Stainless steel, sorry, stainless cooking pots. This is where you put them. And then over here we have the kitchen towels. These are the dish towels or something, kitchen towels. I'm so exhausted, I'm mixing up my words. So we have all the kitchen towels over here, and here's the extra cutlery that came with the stainless steel cookware. And then over here we fitted all the other necessities. They are going to be adding them later. Here you have the measuring bowl set, grater, and the pestle and mortar. And then over here is where we have the coffee station. So when you guys see the final project reveal, you're going to be able to see the theme colors of this home. They are neutrals, white and gold. My client is a big lover of white and gold, and I decided to keep this white and Nordic theme over here at the coffee station. I thought of putting a tray, but everything couldn't fit in the tray, and it wouldn't even make sense having things that are on the tray and others are not on the tray. So this whole set, we got these ones from Bila Shaka. I'm going to plug you guys down in the description box below. And then over here, I love this flower pot. These flowers, they just bring life in the kitchen. They look so lovely. I love it. This one is from Tack Store in Garden City. And then the over the sink dish rack that fits perfectly on the space. That one, we got that one too, the paper towel holder. And then over this side is where we have the kitchen, the cooking set. So over here, the cooker is going to come here. We haven't bought any electronics yet. They were the last part of the whole project. So the cooker is going to be over here. So I didn't want to crowd the countertops. I don't want to crowd the countertops because right now we don't even have the microwave yet. We don't have, let me move my ring light. We don't have the microwave yet. We don't have the kettle, the blenders. We didn't buy all of that. And then over this corner is where we'll be having this corner. Sorry guys about the ring light. This corner is where we're going to be having the double door fridge over that corner. So that is the overview of the whole kitchen. So over here, I just decided to put everything that is going to be needed to cook over here. Those are two oil dispensers. oil dispensers, one for olive oil and the other for regular oil. So I didn't want to put two that are the same. I decided to play around with them. And then this very, very beautiful, oh, I forgot to remove the sticker. So this pretty plant, succulent, I got it from tax store as well. This one was around 1700 shillings, I think. And I think basically everything, almost everything is from Kamukunji. Just a few pieces where I'll specify they're the ones that are not from Kamukunji. So this will be the cooking area. That's why I've put everything over there that they'll be using to cook. And then over here we have the cutlery organizer. This is where it is. This I really love this spoon set. This was new. These ones were new arrivals. They're really heavy than the regular ones. A pack of 6 was 650 shillings. So this whole cutlery cost around 4,550. The 12 forks, 12 spoons, 12 teaspoons, and then I only bought 6 butter knives. I didn't see the need of buying 12 because these ones, they can't all be used at the same time. But this is how I got all of this at 4,450, the cutlery only. And then the expandable dish rack, you guys have seen this before. This one was 1,300 shillings. So we have that. This is an apron that we got in the stainless steel cooking set. So we got this apron there. I think it's among the 30 pieces that they have indicated. And then up over here we have the glasses and the cups. We have the glasses and the cups over here. And I love this kitchen. I love the gold. You see how my client loves gold, from the details of the golden handles to these ones as well. She really loves gold. And then over here is where we put the casseroles, and these casseroles, the prep bowls, not casseroles, these are the prep bowls. And then I bought an extra flask. This one is 3 liters because this one is just 1 liter. So in case she has a lot of guests, I bought her 2 flasks. And then up over there we have the trays over there. So that is how everything looks from this side. Over to my favorite part of the whole kitchen, the pantry. The pantry looks absolutely amazing. I love how everything turned out. That is everything that we got. The storage containers, the baskets. Over here I put the egg tray because I felt like it was a bit off. It was plastic. And then here we had an extra acrylic storage. For details about the pantry, you guys will have to check out my Instagram handle because I'll plug you guys on where I got everything on IG from this very pretty 8-liter storage containers. And then we have these fridge organizers. We don't have the fridge yet, so I thought they can work well over there. I think they fitted so well, so I think when we get the electronics, I'm just going to buy new ones for the fridge because these ones have fitted perfectly in the pantry, you see. And then over here we have these are the spice jars that we are working with. They're really pretty, as you guys can see. So I haven't locked them. When they put them the spices, they're just going to lock it like that, so that makes it absolutely airtight. So right now it's closed, but it's not airtight too. So when they put the spices, they're just going to lock it up completely. So the pantry looks absolutely beautiful and I love it.